Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, as you can see here, we're going to do cauliflower cheese, or cauliflower and broccoli cheese actually. So we've got steamed broccoli, steamed cauliflower, a nice cheese white bechamel sauce, cheddar cheese on the top, bang it in the oven. It's done. Absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we will need. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. We're going to be making cauliflower broccoli cheese, or au gratin, whatever you call it. Very simple amounts of ingredients. So I've got cauliflower here and broccoli here, 50-50 mix I'm using roughly. What I've done is I've steamed both of them for a few minutes, so they're slightly cooked, let's say 50% cooked, half cooked. Here we've got a white sauce or cheese sauce which I've made. Here we've got some cheddar cheese to go on the top. Here I've got a container that we're going to put them in like an oven-proof dish. Very, very simple. Let's go and make this sauce. Okay, let's get this white sauce, cheese sauce done. What we've got is a nice bit of butter in there. Now just to let you know, I'm going to put all the measurements below in the text. So I've got a nice kind of knob of butter there, which we're gently melting. And we're going to add some flour to this to create a roux. Cook the flour with the butter, so we get a nice kind of digestive-y kind of biscuit or shortbready kind of taste. Then we're going to add some milk, cheese, a few little spices. It's done. So that butter's melted, and to that we're going to add some flour. So let's start off with 1, 2 fairly heat they are of plain flour, keeping it on a low heat. Let's start mixing this around. Like I say, we need to create what is known as a roux. As you can see, it's come together nicely there. But what we're going to do is cook this now for about 3 to 4 minutes on this kind of lowish heat. Keep it moving all the time now, please. Okay, that's like 3 or 4 minutes. It's slightly changed colour, and I've got that nice biscuity type smell. Now, very important that you do this, otherwise you're going to end up with a very floury tasting sauce. Okay, very simply, we're now going to add some milk. Let's add a little bit at a time first. Let's see what we get. Let's get that in. And of course, what is happening is the flour is going to thicken like that. Look at that. Right, we're going to go now with a lot more milk. So in total, I've used so far half a litre. So keeping it on this same heat, this kind of low heat, not a simmer, just above a simmer. Just keep mixing this for about 2 to 3 minutes, smooth it out and see if we need to add any more liquid. So as you can see, it's got nice and smooth. There's been lots of mixing on the go here. Little bit thick still, so I'm going to add a little bit more milk. In that goes. So I've added 200, so total 700 ml. What we're going to do now is add a little bit of salt. Now be careful with your salt. If you use the salted butter, add a little bit less. Some black pepper. Little pinch of nutmeg. Give that a mix. Again, keep this going for about another 2 to 3 minutes. You have to keep moving this all the time. Don't take your eye off the ball. Okay, now I'm really happy with that consistency. I like that. We've got our salt, our pepper in there. That little bit of nutmeg. What we're going to do now is add a little bit of mustard. Now you could be using just a... There you go, I'm just going to put that teaspoon in. You could be using a regular, like an American yellow, an English mustard, which looks exactly like that, but is way, way stronger. Or, you know, one of those mustard seed type ones, you know, full grain. Up to you. That's looking beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is grab a bit of cheese. I've got a bit of mozzarella here, or cheddar. Just going to put that in, that grated cheese. This is mozzarella that I'm using, but you could use cheddar, of course. We're going to be using cheddar again later to top the vegetables with. And there you go. You've got a fantastic little cheese sauce there. Perfect. Okay, we can get this together now. So, as you saw earlier, our vegetables are done. I've mixed them and put them into our oven-proof dish. I'm using glass. You can use ceramic or you could use metal. We've got some grated cheese to go on the top. I'm using a cheddar. And we've just made our sauce, haven't we? So what we need to do now is get that white sauce or cheese sauce all over. It's looking fabulous. I can smell that mustard coming out there. I used English mustard. Nice kind of strong flavour to it. There you go. We just need to give this a little mix, not even too much. I don't mind if some of the vegetables are a little bit exposed. They'll crisp up in the oven when we cook it. Fantastic. Grated cheese. Let's get some of that on the top. Like I said, I'm using a cheddar. This is actually a mature cheddar. So again, quite a strong flavour. Now what we need to do is get our oven on full blast, maximum heat. Everything is cooked here. All we're doing is bringing it together. You know what we're looking for. That nice kind of golden brownness of the cheese. It's going to be in my oven about 12 to 15 minutes. See you when it comes out. Okay, and there you go. Out my oven. It was about 14-15 minutes actually. Absolutely wonderful, super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below. We will see you soon. Lots of love.